Hello everybody, so today it's already been 2 months since we've had the CVT Mt hood on top of our car, and it is winter time. So what did we decide to get for Christmas? Well, my Christmas present to myself is a ski rack. So this is kind of different. This is a Rocky Mount ski rack. And it actually fits perfectly on the CVT Mt hood crossbars that comes with the tent. So if I will show you right here why we needed to get a different kind of ski rack and not the usual Yakima or Thule. If we climb up here, so as you can see here, the crossbar of the CVT Mt hood is actually pretty wide and deep compared to the actual T-channel of the tent. So for us to be able to put in a T-slot roof ski rack, we actually needed what you call a Rhino rack T10 channel nut that actually would go in here to fit a special type of ski rack, the ones that fit in the T-slot bars. So now Kurt is actually installing the Rocky Mount's ski rack on top of our CVT Mt hood roof rack. The Rocky Mounts are actually sold also in the CVT store, so it actually works out pretty well. So as I was saying last time, I actually tried a Yakima ski rack initially, but because the crossbars of the CVT Mt hood is too close to the tent itself and it is too wide, those clamps that normally come with the Yakima and the Thule ski racks do not work. You actually have to get a specialized T-slot ski rack, and the Rocky Mounts works perfectly with this. I was actually happy with the CVT rep who recommended this because it is only, they had it on sale for only $100 for this Lifty, the big ski rack that can fit about 6 skis or 4 snowboards. As if you compare it to the Yakima ski racks, normally those are about $300 for the big ones. So it's actually pretty easy. Kurt is doing a great job of putting it in here. And I am so excited that we can actually put our skis up on top. Ta-da! Finished product. And it also has a lock, and they say this is easy to open and close with ski gloves on. So there you go. Easy peasy. Hey! And voila! All done. Now time to put the skis on it. Voila! Our skis are now on top of our roof rack here. And the only disadvantage is you can't actually put the skis together and save some space. So we only have really space for another ski here because there is not much space in here. The binding actually was hitting the CVT Mt hood. So we actually had to separate them to do this. But it would add a lot more space in our trunk now that we have it up here. And it's super easy to put up. So I am very happy. And look at how easy it is to close this thing. And it's closed and locked. Open it, pull it up, voila. It does have a lock as well. Yep, it does have a lock and a key on it. That's our Rocky Mounts ski rack on top of the CVT Mt hood crossbars and the CVT Mt hood rooftop tent.